Hey guys, welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony, I hope you're all doing well and staying safe. What an insane night last night. I think everybody was up really late here in Australia, and obviously everyone was going bananas for GME and AMC last night. That's insane, guys. Pretty much had a pretty good night on Wall Street. I've had a 4.13% return on my portfolio, $758. USD, which is around about 900 Australian, which is pretty good, guys. And in total, I'm up 38% on the day. In total, now $5,339.24 USD. That is awesome. Great to see you guys. And I was paid some dividends, and I'll get into those in a moment. But what I'm wanting to go over today is just a quick portfolio check. So you can see the majority of these stocks that I am invested in are dividend paying stocks, and they're all in the green today, which is really cool to see. My biggest performer, guys, actually I wanted to show is actually Virgin Galactic. This is crazy. Look at this stock, guys. SPCE. I currently hold 50 shares of SPCE, Virgin Galactic. It's up 21% on the day, guys. 53.79 dollars per share now. Look at this. This is really cool, guys. It's just shot up on the month there. You can see that. Really cool, guys. Really happy about that. I was a big believer in space when it was an IPO just before 2019. So around that time was when I bought this company, which is really cool, and I've held on ever since. I've got 50 shares of that, which is really cool. So I'm up on the day $475 USD. So that's pretty much the big one there. And obviously Tesla at 187. Tesla's now sitting at $839.81. I'm sitting at 4.06 shares of Tesla, guys. I would love to own more Tesla, but the price is just insane. I mean, we'd have to invest like $1,200 into Tesla. I mean, look, it's still a great investment, guys, obviously, because Tesla's going to be one of these companies that's forever growing. You know, like Kathy Woods from ARK Investments is saying that this stock is going to be heading up to like the $7,000 mark. It could, and I hope it does, because it would be insane to have that kind of a return. But you know, just keep buying little bits and little bits is probably my goal at the moment, because investing $839 is a lot of money. Other than that, guys, the oil stocks are also up. The energy sector as well. My shares in ExxonMobil have gone up as well. Not much, but $44.92. And I'm sitting at 52 shares of ExxonMobil, which is really cool. Other than that, guys, pretty crazy night with GME, as everyone was probably betting on this thing to go up, and I think it crashed a lot. So if you look at it on the day, guys, and if it wants to load, this thing always annoys me, $316, and it dropped down to $225. So that is a pretty significant drop, guys. 30% in one night, one day in trading in the US. So I think obviously the hedge funds are clicking onto all of this. I'm not sure what's going on here, guys, but there's bigger powers at play here that want to keep control, and it's pretty annoying, but I'm not sure what's going to happen with GME, guys. I hope it does go up, and the Wall Street Bets Reddit group and every retail investor does benefit from this. But unfortunately, it's like anything in this world, there always has to be someone in control, which is really annoying. And I'm sure you guys know what I'm talking about here. There are higher powers and higher, hedge funds and banks and governments and whatnot that don't like people like yourself and me to succeed, which is really annoying. But anyway, guys, so that's GME. And the other one I was mentioning in my last video was AMC. Let's have a look at how that did on the day, guys. If it wants to load, $13.30. Look, it's not too bad. The trades have increased, though. That was around 11,000, I think, yesterday, and obviously it went up to 31,000. You guys can see on the screen there, 31,925 trades last night. Unbelievable. So look, I think when my funds eventually clear in stake, and I'll tell you what really cheesed me off and pissed me off yesterday was they removed their their express funding of accounts, which is really annoying. How can I say this? If there was an opportunity, Stake would have ruined that. And they emailed me, and they said basically it was only purely because they needed to keep stability on their platform and keep the platform actually working. And I look back at their Twitter account, and I can tell you now there are so many people complaining about the app. It's insane. Have a look at it, guys, on their Twitter account. There's a lot of people that missed out. on a lot of opportunity, guys, and trades were executed later than normal, like an hour later, and it caused people to lose like hundreds of dollars, you know, if not tens of thousands of dollars when you're dealing with these kind of things, you know, like especially with GME and the volatility. I think a lot of people were selling out, but the execution of from Drive Wealth, who's Stake's basically broker in the US who handles everything there, they executed the trades a lot later, and a lot of people lost a lot of money because of that. Not good, guys. So I hope they Stake put, you know, fix this up, guys, because it's really annoying. Funding is a big part. The quicker you get your funds in there, the quicker you can take advantage of an opportunity when it becomes available. If that express option is not there, and I'll tell you now, let's have a look here. If I go to here, and I wonder if they've put it back. No, they haven't. There you go. So they used to have a card feature where you put your credit card or debit card, and obviously ePolo, which is directly bank transfer, but that now has gone, and that's really annoying. That has pissed me off royally. What do you do? We don't really have any other options in Australia to trade in the US, other than, you know, like I wish apps like Robinhood were here, but you know, then again, they've got their own problems, and I think there's a lot of bigger, as I mentioned, there's a lot of bigger things in play here, guys. There's a lot of bigger companies that are trying to control what the retail investors do. Anyway, nevertheless, we'll just keep investing and trying, and I hope all of you guys made a killing last night. I'm still waiting for my funds to be deposited in my account so I can take part in this revolution, and we'll see how we go, guys. But other than that, guys, I've got $7.42 in dividends that were paid to me yesterday, which is pretty cool. Where are we here? Let's go 1st of Feb. Okay, you saw SJR the other day. I received a 70 cents dividend from Gain, G-A-I-N. It's $7.27 from SPHD. That is the ETF. Now that has dropped a little bit down this month, because this is a monthly dividend payer. That has dropped down, I believe, a couple of cents. PGX of 6 cents, OXSQ of 22 cents, LEND of 9 cents. Where are we here? In LTC Properties, I believe that's 5 cents. So, guys, that's pretty much my dividends there for $7.42. I'll reinvest those, obviously, when my funds clear, and I hope it happens quicker. And I'm sure you guys are cheesed off about it as well. So, anyway, what do you do, guys? So, again, I've had a pretty good night on Wall Street in terms of returns. Can't really complain about a 4% return in one day, which is pretty cool. But I mean, it's been like this for a long time. It's just gone up and down anyway. In terms of my dividends, it really hasn't changed from yesterday, but I just want to give an update on what happened last night. $824.53 in dividends per year, and you can see there monthly $68.71, $2.26 daily average, and the yield on average is 4.55%. And my three payers are ExxonMobil, SPHD, and Prospect Capital. 27% of my goal has been reached, guys, and 30% is from energy dividends. And dividends receivable so far is $28.07, which is pretty cool. Other than that, guys, I just wanted to say, you know, obviously with this GME and AMC, really be careful. I'm not sure what's happening here. It's really annoying that the establishment is trying to control retail investors, guys, like yourself and everybody else. They're trying to stop us from succeeding. I really believe that. These hedge funds are crapping themselves, and they need to recover all their losses that has occurred. So who knows? I'm going to be buying a couple of shares in AMC, and I believe in Nokia. In actual fact, while I've got this up and running, let's have a quick look. Still sitting at $4.89. That's at $13,000 trades, which is pretty cour. And the other one is silver, guys. I'm not sure what's going on there, but obviously I run a jewelry business, so guys, don't short the silver. Here is Silver Trust at $26.76 a share, 4,600 trades. So that's pretty significant there, an ETF there. Anyway, guys, who knows what's going to happen? Just be careful with your money. And look, I'm going to try maybe AMC for a little bit. I'm going to buy, I don't know, 6 or 7 shares in that. We'll see what happens, guys. If it takes off, it takes off. If it doesn't, it doesn't. There's not much of a loss. But anyway, take care, stay safe. I'll put a video up tomorrow when my funds clear and stake, and I'll be able to buy some stocks. So I hope all you guys stay safe, take care, and make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel, because I really love to grow and build wealth together with you guys. Cheers, peace, bye.